10 unbelievable places in the UK. The UK may be known for its charming villages, ancient castles, and rolling countryside, but hiding between those familiar scenes are landscapes so extraordinary they hardly look real. From turquoise pools that shimmer like scenes from a fantasy film to towering cliffs carved over millions of years, these destinations feel more like they belong in far-flung corners of the world. In this video, 10 unbelievable places in the UK will take you on a journey through locations that continue to astonish travellers, photographers, and nature lovers. Here are 10 unbelievable places in the UK ranked from 10 to 1. 10. Fairy Pools, Isle of Skye, Scotland. There's something magical about the fairy pools. Crystal clear streams tumbling over small waterfalls, flowing into pools that turn shades of emerald, teal, and electric blue depending on the weather. Located near Glenbrittle on the Isle of Skye, these pools are fed by mountain water from the Cuillin range, giving them their stunning clarity. On warm days, visitors sometimes take a dip, although the water stays icy even in summer. The hike from the car park to the pools is gentle and scenic, attracting both casual walkers and photographers. What makes this place unbelievable isn't just the colour of the water, it's the rugged mix of mountains, mossy banks, and the pure stillness of the landscape. It feels untouched, almost mythic, a place where ancient legends come alive. 9. Durdle, Dorset, England. Durdle is one of England's most striking natural landmarks. A limestone arch formed over millions of years by coastal erosion. Located along the UNESCO-listed Jurassic Coast, the arch stands proudly in the sea like a giant stone doorway. Its symmetry is so perfect it almost looks carved by hand. The beach below is a favourite spot for visitors, who often marvel at how the sunlight hits the water and sand beneath the arch. Climb the surrounding cliffs, and you'll be rewarded with panoramic views stretching across the coastline's dramatic geological layers. The surrounding area is rich in fossils and prehistoric history, reminding you that this coastline has been shaped by forces far older than human civilization. It's one of those rare places where geology feels like art. 8. Portmeirion Village, Wales. If you walked into Portmeirion without any context, you might assume you had somehow stumbled into Italy. This vibrant Mediterranean-style village was designed by architect Sir Clough Williams-Ellis and built between 1925 and 1975. Every building is colourful and playful, inspired by Italian coastal architecture. Towers, domes, arches, pastel walls, hidden gardens. It feels like a movie set or a dream world, not something you expect to find in North Wales. Portmeirion is famous for its architecture, local pottery brand, and its unique artistic atmosphere. Many visitors come for its surreal beauty alone, while others explore its woodland, beaches, or the terraced gardens overlooking the estuary. It's one of the most unbelievable man-made spots in the UK because it blends creativity, imagination, and landscape so effortlessly. 7. Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland. Few natural landmarks in the world are as instantly recognisable as Giant's Causeway. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is made up of roughly 40,000 interlocking basalt columns created by ancient volcanic activity. The columns fit together like a puzzle, many of them almost perfect hexagons. The scale and precision of these columns can easily make visitors believe they were constructed by human hands. But nature alone shaped them around 50 to 60 million years ago. Walking across them feels like stepping into another world, where the coastline has been arranged like giant stepping stones slipping into the sea. The surrounding cliffs add to the drama, and on stormy days, the waves crashing over the rocks make the entire scene feel even more powerful. It's a blend of science and spectacle that continues to amaze travellers from all over the world. 6. Fingal's Cave, Isle of Skye, Scotland, Fingal's cave looks like it was carved by a master architect. Tall, geometric basalt columns form its walls, and the entrance leads to a long, cathedral-like chamber where waves echo with a natural acoustics that feels almost musical. This sea cave sits on the uninhabited Isle of Skye, part of the Inner Hebrides. You can only reach it by boat, which adds to the sense of adventure. As waves roll inside the cave, they create a sound that inspired composer Felix Mendelssohn to write his famous overture, The Hebrides. The staggered, hexagonal columns of the cave match those at Giant's Causeway, although Fingal's cave has a very different atmosphere. More enclosed, more resonant, more mysterious. Standing at its mouth, watching water pulse in and out is an experience that truly feels unbelievable. 5. St Michael's Mount, Cornwall, England. A castle rising from an island, reachable on foot when the tide is low, then completely cut off by the sea during high tide. That's St Michael's Mount, a tidal island in Cornwall with a long history that stretches back centuries. The causeway that appears at low tide is one of its most fascinating features. Visitors can walk across the cobbled path to reach the island, explore its ancient castle, and enjoy panoramic views across Mounts Bay. The island is still home to a small community and managed through a partnership between the St Aubyn family and the National Trust. Its blend of architecture, geography, and tides creates a setting so unusual it feels lifted from a storybook. The shift from accessible to unreachable within hours makes it feel almost magical. 4. The Dark Hedges, Northern Ireland. The Dark Hedges is an avenue of beech trees planted in the 18th century by the Stuart family to impress visitors approaching their estate. Over time, the trees have grown and twisted into dramatic shapes, creating a natural tunnel that looks like something from a fantasy novel. Their branches arch over the road in a way that forms a perfect, eerie canopy. The spot has become one of the most photographed roads in the UK because of its atmospheric appearance. The beauty of the Dark Hedges comes from how nature has evolved the original design into something far more impressive. Misty mornings, golden sunsets, or even a simple cloudy afternoon can turn this avenue into an unforgettable scene. 3. Hebridean Beaches, Scotland. The Outer Hebrides are home to some of the most stunning beaches in Europe, and they often leave visitors stunned that these landscapes exist in the UK. Luscantire Beach on the Isle of Harris is the most famous, with bright turquoise water and soft white sand that look more like a tropical island than a Scottish coastline. The beaches stretch for miles, backed by hills and dunes, and the colours shift beautifully depending on the weather. On sunny days, the sea glows with shades of blue you'd expect in far warmer climates. Even on cooler or windy days, the landscapes remain breathtaking. These beaches are sparsely crowded, giving them an untouched, peaceful feel. Birdlife, wildlife, and endless horizons make the Hebridean coastline one of the UK's most unbelievable natural treasures. 2. Cheddar Gorge, Somerset, England. Cheddar Gorge is England's deepest gorge, carved into the Mendip Hills by ancient meltwater. Towering limestone cliffs rise on either side, creating a dramatic landscape that stretches for nearly 3 miles. The road that winds through the gorge offers one of the most scenic drives in the country, while hiking trails above give spectacular views over Somerset. Inside nearby caves, archaeologists discovered Cheddar Man, Britain's oldest complete skeleton, dating back around 10,000 years. Cheddar Gorge blends geology, history, and grandeur. The sheer height of the cliffs and the way they twist through the landscape create a setting unlike anything else in England. It's both beautiful and awe-inspiring, especially for visitors who didn't expect this scale of scenery in the southwest of the UK. 1. The Old Man of Storr, Isle of Skye, Scotland. Topping the list is one of the most iconic geological formations in the UK, the Old Man of Storr. This dramatic rock pinnacle sits proudly above the Isle of Skye and can be seen from miles away. Its formation is the result of ancient landslides that created a landscape of spires, ridges, and towering stone pillars. Hiking to the top offers breathtaking views over Skye's coastline and lochs. The landscape feels ancient, almost mythical, especially during sunrise or misty mornings when the rocks seem to glow or fade into the clouds. The Old Man of Storr stands as a reminder of the UK's wild, raw beauty, a place that feels larger than life, shaped by natural forces long before people walked the land. That sense of scale and wonder is why it takes the top spot in this list of 10 unbelievable places in the UK. The UK is full of surprises, and these destinations prove it. From tidal islands to towering cliffs and mystical pools, these landscapes show how diverse and breathtaking the country truly is. Whether you love photography, nature, or simple exploration, these places offer unforgettable experiences that feel almost unreal. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.